Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 07384813812, and today we have a 2008 Suzuki Swift, stock reference number 4673. This shape runs from the 4th month 2009 through to the 2nd month 2011. It has an M15A 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. M15A 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the left-hand headlight, left-hand fog light. This vehicle is fitted with 15-inch factory alloy mags. Left front has a bald tyre, left power door mirror faded on the top edge, left front door has 2 small dents, left rear door has multiple small dents, left rear 15-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. With the left-hand tail light, it's got a tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgater has no damage, it is slightly faded on the top edge. Right-hand tail light, right rear 15-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. Right rear door has 1 small dent, right front door has multiple dents. Right power door mirror with the clear peeling on top edge, and a right front 15-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black and blue cloth interior, manual type center console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left-hand sun visor, right-hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.